Want to learn this effect? So the first thing I am going to do is duplicate my clip by holding the Alt key and dragging it above the original. Now I am going to locate the point of impact in my clip and cut it. Now head over to the effects panel and type in extract and drag this on the top right clip. Go over to the effects control and start modifying the values of black and white input levels until you get very thin white lines on your screen. In my case, these values are 82 and 84. Now under opacity, change the blend mode to screen and head over to the effects panel and type in VR glow and drag it onto the same clip we have already been modifying. Go back over to the effects control and change glow radius to 300 and glow brightness to 10. Now check up use tint color and under the tint color select or find a nice yellow color to use for this effect.